Hello my crafty friends, this is Yvette from Yvette Creates, and I am a member of the Not2Shabby Shop design team. Today I'm going to be making some cards using the Warm Winter Wishes from the Paper Pad Club, as well as the Warm Winter Friends add-on ephemera. And I decided I would make some cards using this month's Sheetload of Cards sketch. So this month's Sheetload of Cards sketch does call for 12 by 12 pattern paper, but I'm going to make it work with a 6 by 6 pattern paper. So let's get started. Okay, so here are the papers I'm going to choose from. So I'm not going to make the full sheet load today, but I am going to make a few cards. So the full sheet load yields 8 cards. I think I'll make 4 today. And I'll need 1 sheet of 6 by 6 paper for each card. None of these are directional, so I don't have to be too worried about how I am cutting. Okay, so first off, we need a piece that is 4 inches wide by 5 1/4. And I'll save this piece for the inside. And then we need 3 pieces that are 4 3/4 by 1/2 inch. So I'm going to trim the 4 3/4 first, and then go at 1/2 inch. So 1, 2, and 3. And I want to keep them in the order that I cut them so that it'll look like it's just one continuous pattern with some breaks in between. So let me cut my other 3 sheets of pattern paper. All right, so I have my pieces all cut. Now I kind of got to decide which design I want as my main panel and which one I want as the strips. Okay, so I have this cardstock that I think would go perfectly. So let me cut this at 5 to start with. And we can start assembling as soon as I decide on which ephemera to use. Okay friends, I've cut out my 4 circles out of craft colored cardstock. So let me decide which sentiment, because I'll be placing our little pieces of ephemera off to the right. So let me take a quick peek at which sentiment would fit nicely there. Wishes. I think I want to use Warm Winter Wishes. That's what I want to use. Alrighty friends, here are my 4 completed cards using this month's Sheetload of Cards sketch and the beautiful papers from the Warm Winter Wishes paper pad, as well as the coordinating ephemera from the Warm Winter Friends ephemera pack. I just love the colors. They're so warm and inviting. And look at this cute little mouse in the inside of that one. This one, we have a little owl. I love when there's cute little critter ephemera. This one has a little squirrel. And then this one has a little bird. Look how pretty they all turned out. Oh, I love them. Thanks for sticking around to the end. Until next time, bye.